everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I posted an Evereve short, like 52-second video of a try-on I did inside the Evereve store, and now I'm going to share what I kept. If you're new, I'm Laura. Why does this white puppy dog? Be sure to be stuck around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So I had some time to get into the Evereve dressing room all by myself. I wasn't with anyone. And I love the manager at my local store. She is amazing. She started to show me all kinds of new pieces, and then the pieces just kept coming. So I decided to just take the time and try on everything that she gave me, and you can catch that in the video. That is the 52-second one that just runs through them really quickly. But I have about 8 pieces here that we're going to dig into that I decided to keep, and I'll tell you why. All right, so I'm all about spring transition right now. I really don't want any more winter stuff. I'm really ready for the weather to start to change. That's not happening, by the way, yet here where I live in Pennsylvania. It has been rainy, snowy, cold, yucky, but I'm still ready for all the spring vibes. So everything I tried on was pretty much in that realm. Let's start with these trousers. These could be worn all year round. I love these. They're cut from the cloth. The regular price was $109. When I went into the store, they were having a Galentine event, so everything was 15% off. So everything I'm going to share with you, I did get 15% off, but I'll share the regular prices since the prices may vary. So, and you can also request any of these in a trend send. Keep that in mind. If you keep 4 or more, you'll get 10% off. And then if you get anyone to sign up, you would get 20% off anything you keep in your next box, as well as the extra 10% off. So all different ways to save. I love these. These are a trouser style with the side pockets. They have a nice length. I do have a bit of a heel on right now, as these are probably about a 31-inch length. So I'm a 28-inch inseam, probably 30 touching the floor. This do need a little bit of lift. They fit perfectly. I'm wearing a size 2, which is my normal size. I love these from in the office or work from home. Just very, very comfy, but they'd also be great for shopping and all the things. Paired it with this Clio puff sleeve top. I love this green as you start to transition. It's just so cute. The short sleeves, a little bit of the puff. You can put your favorite jacket over it until you can get to spring, but it starts to build your shorter sleeve wardrobe. The green is awesome. This one is $68 regular. It is by Evereve. And let me know what you think of the first two. Nothing screams spring summer than a bright white pant, and these are adorable. They are by cut from the cloth. They have a little bit of the wider leg. So comfy, hitting me right at my ankle bone. So these are probably a 28-inch length, or say right at the bottom of my ankle bone. Very, very, very comfy. Pair these with a tennis shoe, a sandal, a flip-flop, or a heel, depending on what you've got going on. They have some stretch, and they're very, very, very comfy. Then how about this sweatshirt? So this is Evereve's 20th anniversary, and they have a new collection of items coming out, including this cute sweatshirt with the double heart. This is a very soft, relaxed, not touching my neck type of fabric. I love this. Will pair back to any color. You could go with a denim, which would also look super cute. Or you could even go with a black if you wanted. Or go with a pink jean to go with the heart, right? I did a front tuck. Here's what it looks like out. So super cute. So the Evereve Heart sweatshirt is regularly $78, and these are the Meg 27-inch, so not 28, 27-inch by cut from the cloth, and they are $98. Next up, now I have on the L&A Harrison Rib Tee. Love this tee so much. It is like their Jones tank, the exact same with the double fabrication going through the body of the top. The sleeves do not have it. It's so comfy and holds you in the best possible way without feeling tight. I love it. If you haven't tried it, highly suggest it as one of your basics for this summer. $78 is the regular price. It comes right now in black and white. Paired it back to this denim by Good American. This is the Good Waist Palazzo. This has the tuxedo stripe. $169 is the regular price. This is part of that rework denim that they're talking about, where you have some extra little fun visual ads, just like this tuxedo stripe. And this is not stitched. I'm going to try to show this to you. Like, there's not an extra piece in here. It's all the same piece. It's just darker. They didn't show it. They didn't sew an extra patch or anything in here. So really enjoying this fun extra tuxedo stripe. These I did not try on in that short little video. I had gotten them the week before, so you wouldn't have seen them in that video. But I really like these. They have a nice length, hitting me above my ankle bone. They have some stretch. If you haven't tried Good American, it's another denim brand that I really, really enjoy. They just make great denim. They make you feel like you are being held in without being too tight. They form to your body regardless of shape. And I think they make everybody look good. So it's definitely worth a try. Really enjoying these. You wouldn't have seen this sweatshirt in that video either. I had to order this one. But look how cute this looks back to this denim as well. All right, we're down to the last outfit. Final outfit. Okay, let's talk about my denim first. If you are desiring to have a mix of denim and not just wear the wide leg all the time, or even the straight leg, this one is a nicer fitted option by AG. It's the Mari jean. I love this because it is a tighter, slimmer fit, not so relaxed. It isn't a skinny yet, so you can see that it's not skinny at the ankle there. The fit is perfection. It is soft. I'm wearing my normal size, and all of the items I've shared with you today are all my normal size. So the jeans are 226. The tops are extra small. So I love these. They have amazing stretch to them. You can wear them all day. They will hold their shape, and just a really nice option if you're craving something a little more fitted to fit into your wardrobe. And how about this jacket? This is the Billy Half Zip Moto by Evereve. $158 is the regular price. It is adorable. It comes in this beautiful bone color. It also comes in a black. The zipper pockets, the zippered sleeve detail. I mean, there's just nothing not to love about this as we start to conjure up warmer weather. I love it. The AG denim is $235 regular price. So you always want to try to shop the premium brands anytime you can get a discount. Your trend sends are a great way as well. And that's all my pieces. What did you think? What's your favorite? I shared 4 tops and 4 bottoms. Share your favorite top, favorite bottom with me. Which jean style resonated with you the best? I love that all the jean styles are in right now. So pretty much wear whatever you like, from a boot cut to a flare to a wide leg to a skinny. They are all in. My preferences right now are around the straight leg. I do love a wide. They're just the most comfortable thing to wear. Don't forget about the barrel if you can wrap your head around those. So many denim styles. So I can't wait to hear what your favorite was today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Of course, I will link to all these items down below in case you'd like to check them out for yourself. I'll even put my link to Trendsend in case you would like to ask your stylist to put some of these styles into a box for you so you have a chance to get a discount. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.